Now listen carefully that this is the flower which is in my hand, and you see very carefully. I am telling in my previous video that parts of a flower, and a flower have four parts, that is calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. And here this is a flower, and what is this? This is the stem. You see very carefully. This is the stem, this is the leaf, and this is the flower. Okay? Now see carefully. What is this? These are leaves. And what is this? This is the flower. Okay? See here. I am telling you now that flower is modification of stem. I told you in my previous lecture that flower is modification of stem. Means कि stem modified to form flower. Okay? Stem modified to form flower. Here you see, these are the stems, this is stem, and this stem, the apex of the stem is flower. Understood? You see here very carefully. Means the stem modified to form the flower. This is the bud. Okay? And this bud, you see here, you also see here that this bud is the modification of stem, and this bud is after maturity form this flower. So the parts of flower, first part is calyx. This is the bud. Here you see, this is the bud, this is the bud, but this is flower. This bud, you see here very carefully that there is, this is covered by green parts. See here, this green parts, and this green parts is here. You see very carefully this portion, but in primitive stage it covered the bud, but after maturity it break down. So the calyx here is outer part of flower. Yeah, first part of flower. Okay, this is the first one, or first worm, WHORL, first worm of flower. Okay, means calyx is first worm of flower or outer part of flower. It is green in color. What is the function? What is the function of this calyx? This calyx protect bud in primitive form. Okay? Means the function of calyx is protection of the bud when bud is immature. They need to development. So from the environmental condition, from the environmental factor, sunlight, rain, water, etc., it protects the bud, and bud mature to form the second one, that is corolla. Okay? Okay? this corolla is the second wall of flower. And this corolla, it means, look here, I want to separate this. Here you see that this is the bud, but one thing, okay, you see here that this is the bud, okay, but now once this is the bud which I disturbed from there, and here one part, okay, here second part, you see this is third part, this is fourth part, and this is the fifth part. This all five parts separately known as sepals. Okay, it is sepals. Separately it is known as sepal, but group of sepals is known as calyx. Okay, the group of sepals is known as calyx. Understood? Like this, the second one of this flower is known as corolla, but separately it is known as petals. You see here, this is the petals. Okay, these all are the petals. These all are the petals. You see. Okay, now the petals are these are petals. Okay, these are petals, and the group of petals, the group of these petals is known as corolla. Understood? And what is the function of these petals? What is the function of this corolla? You know na, the function of calyx is protection of bud in primitive stage. Like that, corolla functions as attraction of insects. Attraction of insects. Anybody of you tell me why a flower need to attraction of insects? Anybody of you? For pollination. For pollination. Anybody of you tell me what is pollination? Okay, you go your house and read carefully about these things, about pollination, about flowers, and tomorrow we will discuss about these rest two parts of the flower, androecium and gynoecium. Okay.